Hello. So I received this camera from ZOSI and I wanted to do a review for you today on it. This is their CG1 battery powered Wi-Fi camera. It's a nice compact designed model. I want to share with you the accessories that came with it. Of course, like I said, you have your camera and we have a magnetic strip that came with it. We have an optional sticky tab mount if you want to use that. We also have their USB cord that they included with it. Within there you'll find the screws for your mount. Okay, that's all included in there. And then they also gave you a manual if you want to, go through, read, and see, what you need to do to hook it up. Okay, so those are the accessories that came with the camera itself. Now I want to talk to you about the setup. The setup of this camera is very user friendly. Like I said, I really do like this camera. It's very, very nice. I just want to turn it around so you can see it. It's really nice, I think it is. So again, like I said, the setup is very user friendly. This camera, along with the app, it allows you to invite family and or friends if you'd like for them to have access to your camera. All they have to do, if they're an iOS or Android user, again, just go into their apps and they'll have to download the Weatherproof app. Very easy to do. It gives you step-by-step instructions on how to set it up. This camera has within it, it has two 6700 mAh non-removable batteries. So like I said, you don't have to go out and find batteries or anything like that. Now let's talk about the features that come with it. I'll go into more detail at the very end of it, kind of just pointing them out to you, but I just want to tell you what features are on and included with this camera. So with this camera, we have an LED light. This camera has an alarm, pretty nice alarm to it. It is two-way audio, that's pretty neat. It's motion activated. It is 100% wire-free. Who doesn't like wire-free? We have night vision, which is your normal black and white that you would see. And then we have night vision that's full color. Who wouldn't want full color if you can get full color? Good camera. So I think the quality of this camera is very good. Like I said, this camera is a 1080 PHD. The pictures on it are clear during the day and night. The wide angle lens is great on this camera. I love it. It shows a whole lot. It's 110 degree field of view. You can't beat that. Very nice camera. So now, like I said, I just want to point out some of the the features that I had discussed about it. Right here we have your LED light here at the top. See that right here? Okay. Then we have our lens here, which the infrared is somewhere around up in here with it. Then we have two little dots here on the side. That's just some LED lighting for motion. It detects the motion. And then, of course, there's this big little spot right here that's kind of, outlined right here. That is more of the, for human motion detection right there. So, again, like I said, very nice designed camera, very good quality camera, lots of great features. Okay, so now what I want to show you are where you can, let me flip it upside down here. So here we have our speaker. Then we have this little gray spot where we can pop this out. This is where we'll do that. You can charge it. So we're going to pop it out. If I can get it out of there. There we go. Just pop that out right there. Okay. So we got that. You see that down there? That's where you would charge it, and you can also turn it on. Okay, that's where your power button is down there. Okay, so you just pop that baby back in there. And I'm gonna flip it up. I'm gonna turn around towards the back because I want to show you this right here. You can put a tripod stand on there if you want to do that. You're welcome to do that. Here is where this mount goes. Like I said, this magnetic mount is very strong. I don't know if you can see that. Barely pull that baby off of there. That's how strong it is. So just to show you that, that's excellent. Okay. So now you probably want to know, this also can hold an HD card, 128 gigabytes, up to 128 gigabytes. That's good. I'm going to show you where that goes. So now if you're looking at this camera, you have a button here, and then you have a button here. So in order to get to your SD card, which now let you know, an SD card does not come with this, okay? So anyway, you get this, you just push these two buttons, you release, and you pop it out. Real simple. Right here is where the SD card goes, okay? Right there. That's where you can put your SD card. And then there's a pin button hold down in there, and it will show you, that's where you can reset it if you need to, okay? All right, so now that's pretty much it with the camera. So like I said, it's nothing to it to just put it back in, okay. So on this side right here, you have a button here, you have a button here, okay? You just push in on those two buttons and pull, release those buttons, and you just pull it out. Just pop it right out. And that's real simple. You want to put it back together, pop it back in, it's in, there you go. You have it. All right, so like I said, overall, I think this is a pretty good camera. I think it's a good investment. So I would check it out. Go to ZOSI, check it out, and maybe get you one, maybe get you two. Thank you. Hello. So earlier I did a review on ZOSI's CG1 battery powered Wi-Fi camera. I just want to tell you a little bit about the app. This is the app. Like I said, once you download the app and get everything set up, this is pretty much what will show up on your phone. I just want to note to you that I am an invitee. I am not the admin. So I won't have everything that an admin will have. The admin will always have more control over the camera than the person that they invite, okay? So just to let you know that. Okay, so anyway, this right now is live feed right here, as you can see. This little button right here is for settings right here. But again, like I said, if you hit that button and you're an admin, you're gonna have a whole lot more than the person that is, like I said, the invitee. So anyway, I'm going to hit this right here. And when I do that, it is going to bring up this little button. This is where I want to take you because I'm going to show you the camera in landscape view on how it's going to look, okay? So I'm going to hit that button right now, okay? Turn it around. This is what I'm going to show you. Excuse that pot that's sitting there. Don't worry about that. So anyway, as you can see, you have a full view, you know, of the camera right here, okay? So I want to bring up all the little icons that sit around the camera. So I'm going to hit it again, and it's going to bring them up. This right here is a camera that's pretty much just kind of like the for your live feed. This camera right here is like if you want to do a screenshot. This icon right here is for your volume, of course, if you want to hear, and I just don't want to hit it because I don't want the, you know, the feedback coming back and forth. So this right here is your alarm, and it's a nice little alarm. So I'm going to press that. I'm going to let you hear what that alarm sounds like. It'll ask you this. Are you sure you want to turn on the alarm? I'm going to say yes. So that is the alarm, and it goes off on its own there, okay? This right here is the speaker. Say someone's outside your house and you looking like, I wonder who that is or whatever. You can just press this button right here and you can communicate with them. They can communicate with you and you can communicate with them. I think that's a pretty neat feature right there, okay? This next thing is the little light. I do like the light as well. Like I said, I'm going to press that and show you how that works. So I don't know if you can see, it's kind of floating off the table there, if you can see that. But anyway, it has a light as well, okay? So that means the light's on. I'm going to turn the light off. You just hit it to turn it off, and the light will go off. As you can see, no glare on the table. Light's gone off, okay? And then here we have SD, which you can put it in SD, you can put it in HD, and then you can do auto for that. So that's your choice right here. This little button right here is for, like I said, settings. So if I hit that button, I'm not going to see as much as an admin would. I'm not going to mess with that though right now. But again, just note that if you are an invitee, you're not going to see what your admin's going to see because they have full control over the camera. You're just invited to see what's going on, you know. So anyway, like I said, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to, you know, talk to you about the app. Like I said, pretty user friendly on both ends, the camera itself and the app. I'm going to hit the little button. I'm going to take myself back to where I started at. And there we go.